A collision with a semi-truck in California can do massive damage and leave you with serious injuries. Your medical bills could grow with each passing day. If a truck driver is to blame for the accident, that driver's insurance should be helping you with every recovery cost. This is true regardless of whether the truck driver is an independent owner-operator or part of a larger trucking company. As an injured victim, you'll need to file an accident claim with the truck driver's insurance provider. Your claim should include all your damages like medical bills, missed time from work, and all costs associated with your complete recovery. Even though you're entitled to these things under California law, insurance companies try to pay as little as possible. A skilled California truck accident lawyer from Maison Law can help you demand what's fair. Your lawyer would build evidence and have a strong case prepared to fight for every penny you are owed. Contact Maison Law today for a free case evaluation.